Hey everyone, it's me.
And Caleb.
And we're here to do our Degustabox.
Bam.
It is leaking. I think something inside broke, so I do have it on a towel right now. But let's get into it. This is for the month of February.
You gotta wear it on your forehead this time.
No, I'm not wearing that on my forehead. Okay, so we've got some coupons per usual. And here is the February box paper. Let's see what may have broken inside of there, huh?
Okay.
Oh, look.
Boom.
We got another pizza crust.
Thin crust. Heck yes.
I think we got this a couple months ago. This was a big one though. We got small ones last time.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Really,
From Boboli.
really good when you're doing create your own pizza night. You dropped your owl.
You dropped my owl. These are $3.99, by the way, you guys. Okay. I want to pick this up.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, we've got some organic grounded snacks, aged white cheddar, red rice, and quinoa tortilla chips. These look actually really good. These retail for $3.29. You want to try them?
Yes. Yes, I do. There's a knife right in front of you.
I want to use a knife. They just smell like a tortilla chip. However, I think I've tried some. Look at.
They got freckles.
It just tastes like a tortilla chip with a little bit of salt.
With a lot of salt. Wow. That's very flavorful.
I've had chips like that before. I don't know if it was from here, but I have had chips like that and they were delicious. Alright, baby. I'm pulling out the other bubbly.
Yeah. Pizza sauce. Boom! To go on our thin crust. Look at that.
Oh, that's really nice. So,
yeah, it's a packet. Oh, it's okay. It's whatever leaked in there made the box warp a little bit. No, it would be dripping off.
Oh yeah.
It's red, babe. It looked like it was bleeding.
That retails for $2.75, you guys. I don't want those. I want these.
Oh.
Yes! Yes! Okay, so we got some Goya traditional and traditional refried pinto beans and some casserole refried black beans. I love beans.
Yeah, she does. She's got 4 cans in her car right now.
Those are green beans, and I don't know why they're in there. Anyway, those retail, the black beans retail for $1.39, and the pinto beans retail for $1.09. What about you?
I am good. Oh, I gotta be careful. I forgot. It's okay. This is a seasoning. It is
Coriander lime?
Yeah, from Thailand.
What is it? It's just a spice?
Yeah, it's a seasoning. With a coupon.
So what is it? It's coriander, lime.
It's a rub.
It adds a fragrant, citrusy flavor that's delicious on chicken, tofu, or fish. You can put that on your fish.
Heck yeah.
It retails for $4.99.
Wow, that's awesome.
He loves fish, so he can definitely use it. Do you like lime?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. You just make a fish face. Okay. All right, now I will grab these. These are Luna bars. Have you heard of Luna bars?
Yeah, you eat them before bed.
Huh?
Luna, that's why there's a night in there. There's not. Slow dissolving casein protein. Feed your body nutrients while you sleep. Used to work at GNC.
Let me
Gotta
read
know these
this.
things.
It said these retail for $1.39 for a full-size bar, and they are what kind? Lemon zest.
Oh yeah.
They're crafted to help keep you nourished throughout your busy day and give you the energy to break through.
Or night when you're sleeping and you can't eat because, well, you shouldn't be eating in your sleep to begin with. But I mean, if you're busy and on the go and don't have time to eat, I make time to eat. But if you don't have time to eat one of these. Casein protein dissolves slow. It takes 6 to 8 hours to break down fully.
So I can take these to work.
Yeah, those are great for you.
These are awesome.
Yeah.
I'm excited for those.
Uh oh, I found what broke.
Oh no, be careful.
It is.
Be careful. Oh, sauce. See, it was red.
It's a sauce. Did you hear? Her Italian came out. It was a sauce.
Did it break or did
it totally broke.
Oh no. Yeah.
Wah, wah.
It definitely broke.
It's okay. I see Mr. Renfro's.
Mrs. What?
Sorry, the sauce is covering up the letters.
Mrs. Renfro's. It was a salsa, you guys.
It was a craft beer salsa.
A what?
Craft beer salsa.
Is that what it says on the front?
Craft beer salsa, medium hot. Of course, the one hot thing came in. I love hot stuff.
Anyway, that retails for $3.49. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to eat it because it was already opened. It spilled all over.
That's okay.
So that's all right.
That's the first time that's actually happened.
That is the very first time it's ever happened.
For sure.
All right, this is a Tiger Tail classic mustard. We do not like mustard. So we will be giving this to family and friends because this is, it's crafted in Tennessee.
Look out.
It's actually pretty cool. So let's see how much this retails for. $1.99. That's it. That's it.
Yeah, you can pick it up at your closest IV.
Yeah, I'm not going to try this because obviously we're going to give it away to one of our family or friends. We didn't try one of these Luna bars.
Okay, pop it open. They're for you.
Yeah, I just want to try one of them.
Take a bite.
Oh, they look like yogurt cereal bars.
Yeah.
Are they?
They really... They got like a very light hint of protein.
It tastes like lemons. It tastes just like those cereal bars, you guys. You want to try some?
No, I'm good.
Okay. It does. It tastes like a cereal bar, like with the yogurt on the bottom. Last thing. Last thing, you guys.
Ketchup.
Nuh-uh. Wait, I think that we got a small one of these one time, I'm pretty sure. And I loved it. I loved it. I ate it with my corn dogs. I loved it. $4.99, that's what it retails for. It features chipotle peppers, cilantro, lime juice, and a hint of coriander. Spicy enough to amuse the taste buds and packs a pleasing punch without sinking the ship.
We just got off a cruise. Good thing I didn't
That's
Da-da.
scary. Let's try this. I want to try this. It looks like barbecue sauce.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like
just
barbecue
stick your
sauce.
tongue in there.
Just smell it. Does it smell like barbecue sauce?
Uh-huh.
Oh, ooh, that's good. That's kind of spicy.
That's very light.
That's spicy.
For normal people, it's very light, but it's better
For
than...
normal, I'm normal. You're not normal.
Okay.
This is good though. I will definitely eat.
On your hot dogs, for sure. We're eating
And
hot
burgers.
dogs soon now. Oh yeah.
Well, that was it.
That was the box, guys.
That was it, you guys. Sorry this was so late. We were, like you said, we were on a cruise.
We were kind of out of the country.
We were. So we're posting it though. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was kind of a random little box. There was no candy or anything.
No, I mean we got almost all the ingredients to make a pizza.
I know.
We go get some fresh meat,
And
slice
burgers.
it up on there, and burgers. Boom.
What's your? Oh, it's because it's the big game, a Super Bowl. Oh my god. Anyway, what's your favorite out of all this?
Ooh. Goodness, the only thing I tried was the ketchup. I wouldn't.
You tried the chips?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Give me that. Yeah, these chips are good. I can't eat carbs right now, but I'm eating carbs. These are awesome.
I like the ketchup. Ketchup's my favorite. So we hope that you guys enjoyed, and look out for our March Degustabox coming up here in a couple of weeks, actually. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.
Peace out, guys.
Bye. God. Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys.